In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Teachable editor. The editor is a WISIYG, or what you see is what you get, block-based builder, which means you design visually, and your page will look the way it appears on screen. No code required. You'll build with blocks like text, images, videos, buttons, and layouts, then customize, move, and arrange them to craft clean, effective course or site pages. Start by logging in to your Teachable admin dashboard on a desktop. To work on site pages, think your homepage, about, or privacy. Head to Site, then Pages. If you're editing product pages, such as a course sales page or a thank you page, go to Site, Pages, then Product Pages. Choose the product you want and click Edit next to the specific page you'll be working on. Either way, clicking Edit opens that page right inside the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your page content in a live view, along with a panel where you manage blocks. To add something new, click Add New Block to open the block library. Browse the options, choose the type you need, and click Add to place it onto the page. From there, you can tweak the block's settings, rearrange it to fit your layout, and dial in the look and feel so it matches your brand. Use the text block for rich text you can format directly on the page. It's great for headlines, body copy, and short descriptions. Keep paragraphs focused and scannable for readability. The image block lets you upload visuals, add alt text for accessibility and SEO, and even link the image to a page or product. For actions you want visitors to take, add a button block. Write a clear call to action and set a custom URL so clicks go exactly where they should. If you want structure without heavy design work, try layouts. Options like text with image or image grids can create balanced sections and showcase content clearly. On sales pages, the pricing block displays your product pricing plans in a clean, consistent format, helping visitors compare and choose. And to cross-promote, the featured products block highlights other courses or bundles, guiding learners to related offerings without interrupting the flow of your page. As you build, remember that you can move blocks to refine your story order, adjust settings to fine-tune appearance, and keep sections concise so the page feels cohesive. That's the core workflow. Choose the page, open it in the editor, add the right blocks, and customize them until the page looks and reads exactly the way you want.